Welcome to Tech Full of Primary. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your Google slide presentation into an animated GIF using tall tweets. So let's just start with a blank presentation. So I'll just remove all the boxes, and I want to create a moving picture actually. So I'm going to change the background, choose image, and I can choose images from Google image search. So what I'm looking for is just rainforest background. I'm just going to choose this one and then click insert, click done. So this is going to be my background. Now I'm going to insert some animals. Okay, for example, butterfly that lives in this rainforest, for example. But let's just look for PNG butterflies. I want it to be transparent so that it looks real in this against the background. So let's just choose so many beautiful butterflies. Okay, for this purpose I'll just choose this one, right, and click insert, and you can resize these butterflies. Move it a bit towards the outer corner of the frame. And what I do, I just duplicate the slide, and then every time I duplicate, and I will move it little bit by bit, duplicate again, move it a bit, and just like that until the end of the slide. So I have it ready like that. So I go to tall tweets. You can see there's a Create a Studio. This is a slide extension, add-ons, I mean. So you can install it. I've already installed it. So you will find it in your Google Slide add-ons here. Just click on that. You can see the Create a Studio there. Just click Create GIF, and you will see there's a control bar there. You can change this to 500, and or make it 0.5. I think that one is. I have to change it to 0. Just one decimal point. Okay, let's stick to 0.2. Right. So I'm going to choose animated GIF. It's rendering the GIF now. Okay, click on go, and I think it's ready to be downloaded. Just click on the download button there, and it will be downloaded to your hard drive. Okay, now let's see how it looks like using the GIF. Okay, that's great. See, it's moving quite smoothly.